Hello everyone, this is speckyfoodie. Today's menu will be creamy spinach pasta. It's pasta time and it's gonna be creamy but without cream. Follow these easy steps for easy cooking. Let's go cooking! Here's the ingredients you will need. Let's prepare the ingredients. Cut the spinach into small sizes. And that's all for the preparation, and the cooking begins. Add a touch of olive oil and salt in the boiling water. Add in the pasta and cook as per instruction of package or till al dente. At the same time, add in a touch of olive oil in the frying pan. Add in the garlic and cook till slightly brown. Pour in the chicken stock and stir while adding the flour slowly. Add in the milk, salt, and black pepper. Spinach goes in and cook till softened. Add in the pasta and mix them well. Once broth is almost dried up, turn off the heat and serve immediately. Let's eat! Thank you very much for watching our video. Do click on like if you like the video. Let us know what food you would like to see in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Cheers!